program will simulate tossing a coin. A number of items allowing the user to input each result as either heads or tails. It will then generate all possible unique combinations of this toss result. Moreover, we need to ensure the program handles user input error gracefully by using exception handling. Ito yung sa C++. To address invalid inputs and other expected issues. The use of combination repetition allows us to display only pairs of outcomes regardless of the order. Additionally, the program will contain logic to ensure that the input from the user is valid and thus simulation operates without errors. Objective ng program na ito is simulate coin tosses. The user will input numbers times they want to toss the coin. Tapos ito naman, combination without repetition. Once the toss results are collected, the program will display all possible unique pairs of the rest of those results. For instance, if there are toss results like heads, tails, and heads, the program will generate combination without repeating pairs. This means heads versus tails and tails versus heads will not be repeated. They are considered the same combination. Press lang kasi. Exception handling. The program will incorporate exception handling to catch common input error, ensure that program behaves predictably even when the users provide invalid input. Sabi dito, gagana pa rin yung program kahit mali yung i-input natin. Users input validation, the program will validate kahit daw mali yung i-input natin dito sa program na ginawa ko, mag-run pa rin siya. If the user tries to simulate fewer than 2 tosses, the program will notify the user and stop. If the user inputs something more than heads or tails, the program will raise an exception and ask the user to enter a valid outcome. If there are any other exception error, the program will output a generic error message. Ito yung source code ko. Ito tayo sa dito. Ito yung ginamit ko dito is ngayon pa rin sa buong niya using MSTP. Ito siya. Sinubuhan ko siya ngayon. Sabi dito, gumamit ako ng void para kapag nag-invalid yung ayan, ito yung lalabas. Invalid input yung mouse, toss the coin at least twice. Sabi yun dito, kailangan daw 2 beses mo i-toss yung coin. Yun yung condition niya. If daw yun. Tapos si up naman kapag valid naman yung pag-toss niya, enter the coin resulted for yung lalabas ng niya, yung result, kasi tama yung dinigay mo, yung input mo. Tapos dito naman sa 4, ito siya, si out. Tapos for if naman heads to error invalid input, please enter either heads or tails. Kailangan mo mamili sa dalawa. Dapat yun lang yung kailangan mo piliin. Bawal number or anything. Dito na siya. Generating na siya. Ito, void pa lang to. Ito yung laman ng ng program natin. Tapos dito naman dito ako naman mag-enter. Ito naman yung gusto mo. Enter the number of coin tosses you want to stimulate. Dito ako na maglalagay ko. Yan gusto mo coin na matos. Tapos dito na yan. Dito na. Tapos dito catch. Yan. Dito naman kapag nagka-error naman, ito yung lalabas. Unexpected error occurred. Yan. Subukan natin guys. Sabihin natin input tayo for enter the toss result here for tosses. Sabihin natin tails. Tapos heads. Tapos heads win. Tapos tails naman. Yan. Lumabas is the combination. Yan. Yung mga lumabas. Yan siya. Okay na siya guys. Gumagana yung code natin. Yan. Ito yung mga pwedeng lumabas.